Good day. Today, I will show you how your patients fill out the review feedback form from your clinic. There are two ways your patient can receive review links from PatientXpress. First is having a filter when you opted for Add Survey Link when the review message was sent to your patient. Once the patient accessed the link, PatientXpress will then ask questions that are configured by the clinic to gauge if the patient is going to leave a good or bad feedback. Once the patient give a perfect star review, PatientXpress will then recommend to leave a feedback on the review links configured by the clinic. However, if the patient didn't provide a perfect score, even just missing out 1 star, PatientXpress will no longer ask the patient to the review links the clinic configured. The second kind of review link is what we call an unfiltered review form, where PatientXpress will just send review links configured by the clinic directly to the patient. And that is it. That is how your patient can fill out their review link for your clinic. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Thank you.